Hi, boys and girls. Let's take a look at this problem. It says to write the equation and solve. 1/3 pound of dog food is divided evenly among 3 dogs. How much dog food does each dog receive? So up here in the problem, I actually wrote out what the 1/3 would look like. I thought it would be helpful for you to have that. So let's put this over on our board and let's come up with an equation that we can use to solve this problem. So we've got 1/3 pound of dog food and it's divided among 3 dogs. So we're going to do division and we have our 3 dogs. And so we need to solve this problem to find out how much dog food each dog will receive. All right, so now I'm going to use the steps that I know for solving a division problem that involves fractions. The first thing I want to do is I want to look to see, okay, I've got 1/3 divided by 3. This whole number 3 needs to be changed into a fraction. So 1/3 divided by 3/1. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to follow my KFC. Okay, I'm going to keep my first fraction. Let me grab a different color here. I'm going to keep my first fraction, so 1/3. I'm going to flip my second fraction to find the reciprocal. So 3/1 is going to be 1/3. And I'm going to change from division to multiplication. Now I can do the operation to solve for this problem. So 1 times 1 gives me 1, and 3 times 3 is 9. And I want to make sure that's in simplest form, 1/9. Yep. So each dog is going to receive 1/9 of a pound. Or actually, you know what? I just realized when I did that, I'm going to erase this. Pound is written in abbreviated form. LB. There, that's better. So each dog gets 1/9 of a pound.